Max was an ordinary boy living in a quiet village. But every morning, after his chores, he'd sneak into the woods behind his home. The forest was his playground, filled with whispering trees and a carpet of moss that bounced under his feet. One morning, Max found a glowing map in an old tree's roots. It was parchment, light as a wing, with pulsing blue lines. It read, "The Mountain of Wishes. One true heart, one honest wish." His cat, Tilly, appeared beside him. Max's eyes sparkled. With Tilly at his heels, tail flicking in anticipation, he set off along the winding path the map revealed. The woods seemed different now, alive with possibility. Soon they reached a babbling river whose waters formed the face of a smiling old woman. The river spirit asked, "To cross my waters, a kind heart you'll need. Tell me, young traveler, what grows without seed?" The river spoke in riddles, testing Max's kindness. With Tilly's clever hints,
Friendship and kindness.
Max solved the puzzle, and the river rewarded them with stepping stones that appeared on the surface. Deep in the forest, a frightened squirrel with twitching whiskers darted across their path, lost and alone. Max knelt down and offered a gentle hand, letting Tilly lead the way. Together, they guided the squirrel home, earning a tiny acorn as thanks. Later, a crumbling bridge blocked their way, guarded by a grumpy old troll. The troll grumbled, "Toll or trick? None pass for free, see?" Max, with nothing but his last sandwich, offered it with a kind smile. The troll, surprised by the offering, grumbled, "Unexpected, all right, pass." And so, with an act of simple kindness, their path was cleared. At last, Max and Tilly reached the snowy summit of the Mountain of Wishes. A voice, powerful yet gentle, seemed to emanate from the stone. "You may only wish if your heart is honest and true." Max thought of all he'd seen, of kindness given and help received.
I wish for everyone to find someone who will help them when they are lost and lonely.
A soft light blossomed, wrapping the mountain in a shimmering, hopeful dance. They returned home to an incredible sight, a village transformed by warmth. Neighbors shared smiles. The old man with creaky knees handed out cookies. The shy girl found new friends, her laughter bright and free. Even the animals seemed more at ease, a song of harmony in the air. Max never became rich or famous. His adventure remained his own quiet secret, shared only with Tilly. But everywhere he looked, hearts were open, laughter was shared, and kindness bloomed like wildflowers. Max knew, deep down, he had found the greatest treasure of all.